Time to get some work
Excuse
done.
me, sir. Excuse me. I was just wondering, would you like to come down to pleasyhurt.co? It's just down into really nice. Then we're just doing a quick survey on our testing our food. Would you like to be a part of it?
Yeah, sure.
Like me.
Oh, what time is it? Only 4 o'clock. Not bad.
It was 7.
Oh yeah, I'm reading the clock wrong. Right. This is a nice place to destroy.
Excuse me, what
What?
did you say?
Nothing.
I can't hear, I'm half deaf. Excuse me. Hey, pause for a minute. Excuse me, donut, come get your donut. Come
What?
here, boy. Come get your donut right now. Go fetch the donut and kill that man right now.
Oh no, it's the Roomba. Guys, if you remember last time, the Roomba is naughty. Wait, the Roomba shouldn't be able to get up here. Oh my god, it's a flying Roomba. Oh my god, it's a flying Roomba. Oh boy, it sucks. Right, so what are you going to do to me this time? You ain't doing nothing. Get off this. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. No. Get off. Oi, Mr. Cook, what you going to do about this? I'm going to go destroy your whole shop. I'm going to go destroy it all.
Oh, no, boy. Oh, I'm cooking here, excuse me.
No,
Get out of
please,
the shop.
please,
Please.
please, Roomba. Please.
Burn. Let's cook him alive. You cut, I'll burn.
Oh my god, it powered down. Oh my god.
You missed it.
Poor Roomba. Looks like I'll just have to kill it.
Him in my shop. I see.
I'm sorry.
Cook him alive.
Bye.